Hello, for today's video, I will give you an overview on what V-Ray looks like. If you just install V-Ray, first is to enable it. We will do that by pressing Window Extension Manager and find the option for V-Ray SketchUp and find it if it is enabled.
You can see on the screen, we have three different toolbars. The first one is we will gonna be using the most, which is V-Ray for SketchUp toolbar. This contains asset editor, like turning on and off of different kinds of renders. The other two toolbars is the light toolbar. It is designed to do sort of sounds that let you access all the different kinds of lights in V-Ray. For example, if you want to bring in a spear light, and the last one allows you to create infinite plane, that work with different proxies and adding fur and grass.
We will now focus on V-Ray toolbar. I will click on the asset editor and it has different tools or tabs. Like this one tab right here, this allows you to access and edit different materials, and that is going to affect the way of different materials look inside your rendering. It shows you the list of materials that contain in your model, and there's two arrows over here. You can click in order to access different options.
For example, if you click the left arrow, you can access V-Ray Materials Library. This is where you can access the different materials contained inside of V-Ray. When you apply materials inside a SketchUp, for example, this wood, if you zoom in really close, it's super low resolution. But if you ever run a rendering, and if it was to come in here and do an interactive render, you're gonna select one of V-Ray's materials, or you're gonna create your own.
Let's say we were to pick this wood veneer material. We can right click and we can either add it or apply it to our selections, and it also gets added inside your SketchUp model, so you can find that material and edit. Here, you can just adjust different things like the sizes, texture, and etc. If you zoom in really close, we can see how this is much more high resolution and high quality. And if you come over here and you look inside of V-Ray, you can see how this is much more detailed image than what we had before with the old material, which look like this. So you can see the huge difference between the two materials types and the quality of the rendering that they can produce.